Hello, in front of me I've got Mitsubishi ASX. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now go to Settings and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. As you can see right here, we've got full list of connected devices. We can disable them or disconnect them. To connect your smartphone with car via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, prepare USB cable that is connected to your car and connect it to your smartphone. Once devices are connected, you'll get this notification. Select Enable this time or Always Enable. And it's done. Now go to Home and select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Thanks to this connection, you can manage voice assistant, maps, YouTube music, phone app, and go to settings. Also, you can go to more settings and more apps in a menu. To leave Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, select Mitsubishi app. To disconnect from Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, simply disconnect cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.